Hey everyone, it's Thursday on TFG. So this week is vlog week because me and Alyssa are trying to figure out new challenges and vlog topics because we're almost out. So yeah, we're just compiling a list of all these things that we could do. So next week we'll be back on track with the challenges and vlogs. I don't know about you guys, but the days seem really slow, mainly because I'm not doing anything. So it's like I'll go on Facebook and I'll log in like 6 million times a day, hoping that maybe something's going to happen, but nothing really does. But I always have this hope for some reason. Or like on Tumblr or Twitter, it's like I keep logging in hoping maybe there's something new, but everyone probably has a life, which I think is hilarious because people who have Tumblrs usually don't have lives, but they have enough of a life to not reblog things, so, which is bad for me, because, like, what do I do, right? So, and yeah, I mean, my only priorities at the moment are episodes of Degrassi and Pretty Little Liars, which seems to take so long because, like, Degrassi's 2 times a week, but it's just like I'm in agony waiting for the days of the week that they show things. Also, I don't know if you guys watched the Teen Choice Awards, but Cimorelli did not win web series star thingy thing, which I was actually pretty upset about because I voted for them so vigorously this whole time. And if you don't know who Cimorelli are, they're a group of 6 girls and they're all sisters and they sing a cappella. They harmonize perfectly, and they are awesome. So yeah, go check out their channel. It's in the down bar. You can tell that it's summer and that I haven't talked to anyone when I start rambling about things and stuff. So anyways, hopefully I'll get plans. Ha! Hopefully. Anyway, I'll see you guys next week, and Alyssa, we'll see you on Saturday. Bye!